So, my dear track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about an issue that has come up between Brianna Williams, Johan Blake, and Akim Blake. Because recently I heard a very shocking report that something had just happened to these three athletes. And now I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about what is trending right now about this three Jamaican athletes. So in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also make sure to like the video. We can clearly remember that both Brianna Williams, Akim Blake, and Johan Blake's season has not been favorable. You all know what I mean. Akim Blake has not been able to secure the final spot in Budapest. Same applies to Brianna Williams. She was not even able to secure a chance to run the 100 meters in Budapest. She only ran the relay, and now something is happening. Okay, this is the report that I heard about them. So this official Jamaican news page was able to report that Johan Johan Blake, Akim Blake, and Brianna Williams have leave Gregory Little Late Track Club coach Freda also works. Okay, all these posts is trying to let you guys understand is that Akin Blake, Johan Blake, and Brian Williams have leave the club of Gregory Little Track Club, and they are no longer in his club. Now they are moving up to another club. Now a lot of people are saying that Brian Williams do like the big question is where is Brian Williams going to coach right now, because she doesn't have a coach. As for Johan Blake and Akin Blake, they I heard that they have already find somewhere else to train, but Brian Williams is left like a tree in a forest with no direction. Like, where is she going to go now to train? This is the big question a lot of track fans are asking, but a lot of people are suggesting that she should go back to the MVP track club.